Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode we're going to discuss about, of course, Bitcoin price drop that we had after we uploaded the yesterday's video, which by the way you should watch to see what is going on the markets, and also some very interesting news that I wanted to actually upload the video right after the yesterday one, but I waited until today. And now let's begin. Yesterday I was awake until 4 a.m. watching the Bitcoin price, and I literally followed this drop. I also sold some shitcoin that I had in order to buy some Bitcoin and buy some other assets that I believe in. I also bought some Bitcoin on $6,200 and I bought approximately $4,000. As you can see, I am investing, and I do recommend all of you to start at least dollar cost averaging if you have enough money onto the side, because this crisis over here is led by panic and nothing more. The virus that we have and situation on the market has nothing to do with the markets and with the price in the market. Panic does. People do this, especially dumb money who does not understand how the things are working, and this is the reason why we actually have S&P 500 dropping significantly lower below all moving averages on the weekly chart, and this is pretty terrible. Ethereum dropped to $89. This I didn't manage to catch yesterday, and if we see, the oil is trying to recover over here, finding some sort of a level of support on this trend line, but I don't think that will happen anytime soon on this case in the market right now. Also, hash rate on the Bitcoin is still up. Probably the halving is coming and it will help the price. Even so, the crisis is here. I do believe that the slowly cutting inflation on half will actually help miners and many others to lift the price on the way to the upside. So I do think that the miners are still mining and do not selling some portion of the Bitcoin, waiting for the halving or something like that. At least for that time that they are profitable, we will see if they're going to turn off machines after they actually have no money to pay electricity, right? If you remember, Donald Trump discussed about situation with the nation on the TV yesterday, and in this video he also said that the economy has no problems
because of the economic policies that we have put into place over the last 3 years. We have the greatest economy anywhere in the world by far. Our banks and financial institutions are fully capitalized and incredibly strong. Our unemployment is at a historic low. This vast economic prosperity gives us flexibility, reserves, and resources to handle any threat.
So if the economy is never been better here or in the world whatsoever, the banks are all the same shit. US Fed unveils 1.5 trillion rescue injection, but will Bitcoin price rebound? Okay, this is the important here. Why our Federal Reserve is printing money actually here when economy is in such a great state? They don't need money if they have enough liquidity of the money on the markets. So why are they printing money? This is the reason why I don't believe what they say. They're just not spreading the panic that will come over time when the recession hits the road. Why I'm saying this? Okay, let's see yield curve. Let's see spread on treasury yield curve. We are on all-time lows here almost. We are on level of 0.49. After touching these levels, we all know, as we can see over here, we come into the recession. All these gray bars over here that you can see are recessions. Every time when we hit this 0% or lower, we can see that we came into the recession after we started to climb on the way to the upside. So yeah, the worst is yet to come. Why are they saying this? Of course, unemployment is at the all-time low, but we are still not seeing businesses going down because we are still not yet too deep. So yeah, do not believe what they say. for you it's very important to save some money, to have emergency fund, and to have money to invest when everything is starting to actually collapse on the way to the downside pretty significantly, because everything will be cheap, including real estate, S&P 500, all stocks. Gold probably will be a little bit expensive because gold is a safe haven asset. Bitcoin also, some very interesting altcoins. Everything, every single asset, digital asset, whatever you want to call it, will be cheap, and your obligation, especially if you're a millennial, is to actually save money and invest in those sort of assets if you want to make money, because millionaires are made in recessions and not in the bull markets. In bull markets you're just taking profits. That's all. I made this video just a call for calm. Do not panic. Please stop spreading panic. Start thinking logically and as a professional trader or investor, and you will be just fine. Those drops and those pumps are totally normal in whatever the way the price is going on every market. That's totally normal. We went through this many times. And remember, be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I want to thank every single each last one of you for doing that same thing yesterday and supporting us, and the new subscribers. Welcome to this channel, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.